it is. It is a little bit after 3 o'clock in the morning. And this is actually calmed down. This is my coat. That is for being exposed for less than 10 seconds. This is the water. In the middle of the road. It's a river. I don't know if you can see that. You can see the water coming off the roof. But it's literally a river of water going down the middle of the road here, the driveway. It's pretty incredible. I mean, we're not talking about inches per hour. We're talking feet per hour at this rate. I mean, huge, huge water, very short amount of time. In fact, I ran across, and just went across. This is my raincoat, one of them, and it is soaked. In fact, it's almost soaked through. So, water down south.